Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on Android phone. So guys, it is very easy, but let me tell you, there is a no mobile application of ChatGPT. So if you download it over the Play Store, that's not an official. So to use it properly, just go to your browser and in the google.com, you have to just enter here ChatGPT. Right, I've got this spelling wrong, but make sure that you type it proper. And here make sure that this is not an official, so don't download it, right? And here I'll just click on ChatGPT, and here I'll click on try ChatGPT, and it will load for a few seconds. It will verify your web browser, and here I have to log in here, right? So after login here, I have already made my account, so I will just click on continue, and after entering the password, it is on. So here I can search anything, right? So I can search here, and you can just know how to use ChatGPT, right? And if you don't know, you can check out our other videos. So this is it guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.